All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Sharp by Design. That's a mini Tempest with a pretty cool gold dark matter inlay. Titanium frame lock. Let's go ahead and take this guy apart. So I'm just gonna start from the handle right over here. So when this happens, means there's some Loctite going on. Here you go. So we remove the clip first. It's there. And then from the lock side, you tackle this pivot right there. Nice. Which comes out nicely. You see, like so. Very good. Blade is open and the knife should come apart pretty easily, right? So just wobble gently. Not sure what I'm missing, what I'm doing wrong. No worries, just not panic and try to just push the pivot out. Yeah, that came off, definitely. And it's a good sign. I mean, it means that the tolerances are tight, which is a good thing. So in this situation, just take your time, because remember, you have a sharp edge. It's almost done. It should just come out much easier than that. I try to push with this. There you go. And now just release the lock bar there. This pin is external, so just rotate gently and this comes off. Okay. So it was good to see the tightness of the construction, so that's good. That's the stainless steel washers that we have. I'm just gonna grab some of these microfiber, like I don't know, swabbing, alcohol swabs right there. It's cleaned. Let's do the bearings as well, like so. That is one. I know Brian Nadeau doesn't like people to take his knives apart, but what can I do, man? I mean, I like it. I'm doing my best. I'm trying not to mess up anything here. But I just like to take them apart, to maintain. It's part of the fun, right? I mean, I really don't understand makers that they don't allow people to take their knives apart, to maintain, clean up, without naming names. Here we go. So let's start with this fella right there. We got one bearing in and a couple of nano oil love right there. It's in. And then the blade is also in place. We got a second bearing also in place and 3 drops of nano oil. Now, just sandwiching the 2 parts, like so. Starting from the pivot, like this. And there you go. And just tighten it down. Not too much. Just keep it like... All right, disengaged. And like... So you insert the clip with the screw. It's keyed in, so it's not gonna rotate or do any funny business. Now we can close the blade and just tighten the screws a little bit more. Don't over tighten anything. So there you go. Now we can check for centering, blade play and everything. So blade looks spot on. Action is good, but it's a little bit too tight. So I'm just gonna release a little bit, checking that the blade is centered and seeing that there's no blade play. Oh, maybe I forgot, yeah, definitely forgot a tiny bit of oil on the detent, which is not a ball, it's just like a, oh yeah, I can already feel it. Now we are in business, and this, guys, how you maintain, clean up, and perfect the already pretty cool action of your Sharp by Design Mini Tempest. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned.